Hello my beautiful people! So this will be a Bigo tutorial for newbies. I'm gonna cover all most important points that you need to know as official Bigo host. But first of all, let's start from the beginning. What is Bigo Live app? Bigo Live app is one of the top social streaming apps. There is more than 400 million active users on this app. So many talented people. Oh my God. So if you have a talent, or if you are super chatty, or if you just want to make friends, or if you want to make money just from your house, check Bigo Live app. If you want to become an official Bigo host, you need to join an agency and they will manage you as a talent and they will help you with official events and everything what is related with the app. I always advise people to do the little research. There are so many agencies and it's fine to do a research and find the one that you feel most comfortable with, the one that you have the same vibe, because you need to work together to get the best result. So always do your research about the agency that you're trying and planning to join. So as an official host, depending on your plan, you will have to hit 3 targets. Hour target, so you will need to stream certain amount of hours per month. Beans target, so beans are the virtual gifts that supporters can send to you, and also you can exchange those virtual beans, those gifts, to dollars. 210 beans is $1. And also you need to make a fan target. So it depends on your plan again, but your agent will give you more accurate information about that. Also, when you hit those targets, you will get additional reward compensation from Bigo. So higher target you reach, bigger compensation rewards you get from Bigo. So it's a really good motivation to try to do your best and do better and better every single month to reach higher and higher targets. Once you find the agency that you like, you will need to do an audition to become an official host. Audition is recorded 3 to 5 minute scheduled stream. On that audition stream, you will need to see your name, agency that you want to join, your agent name, your Bigo ID, and then you need to show your talent for 3 minutes. So if you're a dancer, show your best dance. If you're a singer, sing the best song. Or if you are just a super social person, just chat with the audience, ask how they are, answer their questions, just interact with the audience. And then it will be recorded and your agent will send it to the management, and then they will make a decision if they accept you as an official Bigo host. I will show you a short example of the audition just right there.
My name is Yeva. My Bigo ID is YEVA. I'm from Evito agency. My agent is Yeva and I'm auditioning today to become an official Bigo host.
You can check your progress on the app. So if you go on Wallet, Beans, Live Data, you can see your monthly, weekly or daily progress. You can see how many hours you streamed, how many fans you made, and how many beans you received. So you always can keep on with the targets. And now let's move on to official events. First event that I want to talk is PK. So PK is like a friendly battle against another official host where you both are on the screen and the one with more support from the audience will win this competition. It's like a friendly battle. So the one with the more gifts wins. So it's really important to ask your supporters to be there for your official event. Always be nice to your opponent and do not forget to follow your opponent before you going live. Because if you follow your opponent and he follows you back before you going live, you can find your opponent when you press line and you will see your opponent name and you can invite the opponent for 10 minutes single round PK if it's a UK PK. If it's international PK, then it will be 20 minutes long. Now, your agent can book you those official events. There is a spreadsheet, and if you press CTRL+F, you can type your Bigo ID and see how many events you have and who is your opponent. The same agent can see how many slots they get for the week for the events. If they type agency name, they can see how many slots they have for this week and they can book their hosts for the events. So with the PKs, we have theme PKs like a fancy dress, makeup PK, dancing PK, or we have just like a beans party PK where you need to get certain amount of beans to get the rewards. So your agent will give you exact information about each event. Don't hesitate to ask them. And then we have a live house. So live house is like competition. It's a solo performance. We have a talent live house. So you will get a 15-minute slot, 1-5, where you can show your talent. So if you're a singer, you can sing or dance. Again, it depends on the live house theme, but you need to ask everyone to vote for you. There will be a yellow box and people can press the yellow box. Everyone has 10 free votes and then they can vote with paid votes. Again, beans that will go towards your target. These kind of events really help for exposure. You meet new people see you, and if they like your performance, they will become your new fans and supporters. So it's really important to be professional on those official events and have fun, because it's all about having fun, and they usually are super fun. So try to get as many official events as you can on your first months, because it's a key to build up your fan base on first months. Now, another way how you can get more people on your stream is by posting regular posts on your profile. It can be your pictures or videos, or it can be a short announcement of your official events. Do that and share with your fans, because it really attracts a new people to your stream, and also keep this connection with your current supporters and fans. I understand that Bigo can look a little bit confusing from the first look, but don't worry, I'm here to help you. So I'm gonna explain you the buttons that you see on screen while you stream. So let's start from the bottom line, and let's start with the first button. So if you press the first button with the 3 dots, you can answer the message on the chat, or you can answer to a specific person on the chat, or you can just write something as a broadcaster. Now, the second button with 3 lines and 3 dots, you see mirror, so you can switch the side. With the beauty button, you can edit the way you look. You can put some filters on. Then we have a mask. So we have some very cute masks over here. HD, so if your internet quality is not very good, you can switch to fluent. And if you have a very good internet connection, and my advice is to always have a very good internet connection, press HD and always have the high quality of video on your stream. Then we have some stickers, so you can add your YouTube name, your Instagram name or Facebook name, and have it as a sticker on your live while you're streaming. So in that case, you can get a real followers on your social media. You can also write some information about official events that coming, or you can add some cute bunny or Bigo mic just for some fun. Then we have share button. So if you press share button, you can share your stream to your Bigo friends. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter. You can send it on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. It's always good to share your stream, because then more people come and you have a way better interaction during your live stream. DIY notify is a marvelous way to increase broadcasters' popularity. After using this, it will be displayed in regional broadcasting rooms and send broadcasting notice to users in this region. So it's super cool, and if you do have a chance to notify everyone in the region, do it, because it will bring so many new people on your stream. Then we have a Bigo pet, your dino. So you can ask people to give your dino some donuts. So it's also interaction with your audience. And with the higher level, your dino is changing outfits and background, and it's just another way to interact with your audience. My dino has a little unicorn outfit. Love it. Then we have a PC mode. So you can use Bigo on your computer. We have a buttons of newcomers. Those who are new to Bigo Live will have specific gift in the first 7 days. Newcomer gift. Say hello to them and attract them to send you the gift. Will help you get more heat, which will make you get more viewers. So guys, do not forget that it's all about interaction. Always ask your fans to tap the screen, share the stream, because this will help you with the heat points and be higher on the heat list. But I will tell you more about heat list a little bit later. A little camera button, so you can make a screenshot or a record your screen during your stream, and then you can share it straight away on your wall on Bigo as a post, so it will attract more people to come to your stream as well. Guest button, so you can see a waiting list, so people who want to be in your stream together with you. You can have a 2 people maximum on your stream as a guest, and you can see who wants to join your stream. You can also enable viewers to quick join as a guest. It's up to you. Then we have a little box. So if you press this little box, you can see all the gifts that we have and how much worth each gift is. So some gifts you can buy using diamonds. So when you exchange beans to diamonds, you can send it to other broadcasters. But some of the gifts can be sent straight from the beans. So let's say if you don't have enough amount to exchange it to diamonds, so you have like 100 beans, but you want to support your friend, you can send it directly from beans and support your friend. For example, blue lovers or chocolate, they all use a beans and you don't need to exchange them to diamonds before you send it. PK button, so it's a royal battles. So you can do it either with your friends or you can do it with a completely stranger. So Bigo will just match you with random people. This is not like official event, but you can get some more exposure and rewards during those royal battle PKs. And then the last bottom line button is again PK, team PK. You can do a PK with your friends, 3 friends against 3 friends. You can have a fans PK. So basically your fans can battle each other and see who will send more gifts to you. Challenge button, so someone can set a challenge, and if you accept that challenge, you have a few minutes to do a very high quality performance. So let's say the challenge is singing for 2 minutes, and if you accept it, you need to sing for a few minutes, and then you will get a reward if you do that challenge. Now you can set the wish, so you can choose a goal for your gift that you want to receive, and then your audience see that goal and they can help you to reach that goal. So let's say you choose 10 shields, so people can send you 10 shields and they can see on the screen how many shields you need more. Then we have a party button. So you can set your birthday party and you can promote it and people can join. So it's also very good if you have some special event coming. Then we have lines. So if you have an official PK that your agency will help you to organize. So if you have an official PK, you will know your opponent before the PK time. So you need to follow your opponent and then you need to press the line button and find your opponent on the list, or you can type the ID on the search bar and then you line your opponent for 10 minutes single round. Unless it's international PK, then it's 20 minutes long. Match button, so it will match you with a random person for a PK. You can always disconnect. So let's say you press match PK and you see someone on the screen. If you don't want to do this PK, you just press the same button and it will disconnect you from that opponent. Then we have draw, so you can choose the draw. So for example, I do sometimes a workout, so people can send me certain amount of beans for a spin the wheel, and then I will do the exercise that it's on the wheel. But you can use it for games or for little prizes to your supporters. It's really up to you, so it's a very cool tool. And then we have fan lottery. It's actually quite a recent tool that there is on Bigo. So your fan or you can set a fan lottery on your stream. So you can choose what people need to do to participate in this lottery and win beans. So they either need to send a gift to you, say the password, or share your live stream. So it really helps to bring more people to your room because everyone wants to win those beans. Just under your name we see the beans. So if you press that beans amount, you can see daily supporter list, so you can say thank you to the people who supported you today in your stream. You can see weekly supporter list, overall list, and also your fan badge holders and who are the top fan badge holders, who are basically your top fans. So you can always check and say thank you to those people who coming on your stream and helping you. We have a star button, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, and then you open a box. So to open your first box, you need 20,000 beans and then 10,000 to open a new box. So basically these boxes shows how much support you got today on your stream. And then we have a hit list. So basically it shows how active is your channel. That's why you need to ask people to tap the screen, share the stream, send you gifts, because all these little things they do helps you with the hit list. Higher you are in the hit list, more exposure you have and more new people can come to your stream. So this is really important, and don't forget to ask your people to be super active on your stream. Even exclusive gifts, they also help reaching a higher level or with your hit list. On your chat, you can have admins. So admins help you to keep your stream and chat nice and clean. To make admin, you need to press the name of the person on the chat and then this little manage emoji, and then you can choose mute, kick out, set as admin, report, or cancel. So if you want to set someone as an admin, you just press set as admin and this person can mute, kick out people for you. So let's say if you are a performer and you're singing and you cannot read all the comments, admins will be there for you and they help you to keep the chat nice and clean. And also you can change your admins at any time. So this is all about the buttons. Now let's talk about families. So once you join Bigo, you join it with your agency. So agency is there to help you, to give you all information about the app, help you with the events, and sort your problems if you have any. But families are completely different things. So families are like little communities. They're there to support each other. They also have some special family events with some good rewards. So having a family, it's important, but also it's important to do your little research. We have many families, so you definitely will find the one that will be perfect for you. Also, if you don't like your family, you can change family at any time. And now I want to share a little tips and tricks how to be even more successful on Bigo Live app. As I said, always ask your audience to engage. Tap the screen, share the stream, send you gifts, send you exclusive gifts. Even though exclusive gifts don't give you actual beans and don't help you with exact bean target, but it really helps for exposure and it really helps with your level up. It just looks more active if people send those gifts. So ask for those gifts. If people don't have beans, they can send you exclusive gifts. They're also very important. Be thankful for gifts because people buy those virtual gifts with real money so they could support you and show you love. Always appreciate that. Say thank you to your fans. Maybe do a little gift for your fans when they send you a lot of gifts, you know, do a little monthly competition. I am a singer, so normally I like create a song or do a cover song for my top supporter. So just really appreciate what they're doing for you because it's very important to thank them. Share your live stream with other broadcasters. Go to other broadcaster streams because networking is super important. If you show love to other streamers, they will come back to you, and it's really important to have that networking on Bigo because it helps a lot. Do not forget that the quality of stream is the key. Good light. You can use a natural light as I'm using right now. You can use ring light or softbox. Anything that looks professional and people can actually see you. Then good sound. If you're a singer, use mic and good speakers. It's just more quality you put in your stream, more people will come back because there are so many streamers on this app and the quality is key. If you have any talent, don't hold it back. If you're a singer, dancer, DJ, magician, or if you really like cook food or you know how to decorate a muffin, show it all because people love to see those talented streams and they really like to support people who are talented. So don't hold it back. Share your talent worldwide, make new friends, make new fans. Always look professional, so wear nice, appropriate clothes. Don't wear something too sexy, too provocative, because it can lead you to a ban. Bigo has very strict rules, so always be professional. Don't smoke on stream, don't drink, don't show guns, and don't act too sexy because it might lead you to a permanent ban from Bigo app. And as I said, with the sticker, you can promote your social media like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. So do that. It will give you new fans for your social media, but also promote your live streams on your social media so you can bring those fans to Bigo. And also be sure that your internet connection is good because there's nothing worse than watch a lagging stream. And one little thing, when you do official PK with an opponent that you don't know, always be nice and be friendly. Even the person is in a bad mood, try not to get into the conflict. Stay always professional. So these are all the important information that I wanted to cover in this Bigo tutorial for newbies. If you have any questions, just write me on Bigo Live app or drop me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and have fun on Bigo app. Ta-ta! Thanks for watching me and I hope I'll see you on my next video. Mwah!